Hello, let's look at the energy sources that we have. We have different types of energy. This energy could be in form of chemical, mechanical, or other type of solar energy. So let's look at these major classifications of sources. It could be from fossil fuel, like the energy that we have when we collect crude oil through fractional distillation. We have our fuel, we have the petrol, we have the kerosene. So all those energies, they are classified under fossil fuel. It's a chemical form of energy. We have uranium and other radioactive substances, which are classified under the clear energy. We have biomass, classified under chemical energy. Here we talk about things from biological materials like wood and other sources. We have geothermal energy, which is actually heat energy that is from nuclear processes within the earth, volcanic eruption and all this. Then we have hydropower, which is mechanical energy from water. It's actually a mechanical form of energy. We have wind, which also supplies mechanical energy. And we have solar power, which is actually from the radiant energy of the sun. But primarily, you can also classify the sources of energy as the one coming from the sun, the one coming from the motion and gravitational potential of the sun, moon, and other planetary bodies. We also have another source known as geothermal energy, which is energy from the cooling and chemical reactions and radioactive decay in the earth. Then we also have energy from human-induced nuclear reactions, call it nuclear energy. And we also have chemical energies from mineral sources. So you can classify sources of energy in this form or this form. This is the primary classification, which is directly from what you're getting it from. Like directly, the sun is a primary source of energy. The motion and gravitational potential of the sun, that's the sun movement, rotation or revolution around the earth, of the earth around the sun, and the moon around the earth contributes to energy a form of energy as well. Which this can supply energies like this wind and hydropower energy. Then we also have what we call geothermal energy, and we have human-induced nuclear reactions. This form, so you can classify it into this form or this form. This is when you're considering the primary source, but this is a broad classification of energy sources. So I think this is more refined. Fossil energy, which is chemical. The ones from uranium, known as nuclear energy. Chemical energy from biomass. Geothermal energy from the heat energy from within the earth. Hydropower, that's from big water motion. You can have that from like the Kenji Dam hydropower, that is power from water. It's a mechanical form of energy. We have wind energy and we have solar energy. So those are the major classes of energy that we have. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share our video. If you have questions, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you. God bless.